Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to all my brothers and sisters who are living on this beautiful earth. It is our duty to help our brothers and sisters who are in need as a charity. It may be in the shape of ration or as a rupiah or as a dollar or as an euro or as a riyal or as a dinar or whatever currency notes you have in your possession. Allah will return all this in the best shape when we will be in the utmost need. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decreed in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Munafiqun, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, وَأَنْفِقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقْنَاكُمْ مِنْ قَبْلِ أَنْ يَأْتِيَ أَحَدَكُمُ الْمَوْتُ فَيَقُولَ رَبِّي لَوْلَا أَخَّرْتَنِي إِلَى أَجَلٍ قَرِيبٍ فَأَصَدَّقَ وَأَكُن مِّنَ الصَّالِحِينَ. Ameen. Ya Rabbul Alameen. And spend in the way of Allah from what we have provided you before death approaches one of you and he says, My Lord, if only you would delay me for a brief term, so I would give charity and be among the righteous. और खर्च करो उसमें से जो हमने तुम्हें दिया है, इससे पहले कि तुम में से किसी को मौत आ जाए तो वो कहे, ऐ मेरे रब, तूने मुझे करीबी मुद्दत तक मोहलत क्यों ना दी कि मैं सदका करता और नेक लोगों में शामिल हो जाता।